Hello again. I am back with another video. This is just a project share to show you a swap that I have put together. This is my first time swapping in this particular group, and it is the FB group Sweet Creative Impressions. And I believe that Deanna Hogue is the only administrator. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to check that out. But I was invited into the group. Thank you, ladies. I am very happy to be in your group. Thank you so much for inviting me. And this was a super fun swap. And we followed a tutorial from Pink Strawberries. Pink Strawberries here on YouTube. It was her library pocket. And so this is how the swap looks that I have put it together, and I would like to also do a tutorial. So if you will please stick around, I will have that as well. So let's kind of walk through this project. Right now, my new obsession is playing with these pipe cleaners. I got them on Amazon, and I will try to link the description, link how to get them, or the ones that I purchased, in the description box down below. And I think it looks like a little flower, possibly with a butterfly on top. And that was kind of what I did, and I just kind of played around with it. So I'm going to slip this off. This came with a swap from Tiffany McGill's group, Coffee Cake and Crafting. So let's remove that, because my swap partner is this. It's a junk journaling swap group, and so she mentioned that she needed orange, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is perfect. And so I have made a kind of done a chip bag, and I'm going to put one together for you. And I did use a Maggie Holmes digital to print up on paper, print weight paper, copy weight paper, just the average paper you use in your printer. And let me get a little bit more light. Whoops. And make noise. And I'm having allergies. I was sneezing practically all night before I went to bed. I don't know what happened, but it's that season now. And so I'm going to show you how I made one in a moment. So that's the background right now. Isn't it a pretty pale orange? I think it's pretty. And so since this is a library pocket swap, and it's spring, I have this here. I don't want to show everything, okay? But all of these can be reused. I like to add a lot to reuse. I did use Pink Paisley, Fifth and Main collection. I have to find that and hopefully put that in the description box as well for you to find that. So here's one library pocket, and it's just about done. I want to do just a little bit more embellishing, but I liked how it looked put together, and I thought I should definitely do a project share. I found the little minis of the waffles. So thank you, Tiffany McGill, for making me feel guilty about not adding treats to every swap, because she does, you guys. Make sure you're following her. And here is a bow. That is the Easter egg bow from My Crafting World Designs, Anna's new business. And I just love how it looks. So since my swap partner is putting together a journal, I thought it would be kind of fun to throw in this bow. And it's got the spring elements, and neutral green, and I think it's neutral. I hope so. And she's not a real pink pastel, kind of fan, but anyway, so here's some trim that she might have a little fun with, just a little bit. And the library card, I had fun putting together a library card. And so she can use that. And then here's another little something something. Thank you, Tiffany McGill. Also, let's see. Oh, I got that in there pretty darn snug, don't I? Anyway, it's an instant vanilla latte to go with the cookies. Here's a little funky idea I had for packaging up for a glue stick. And, well, here's what it is. This is what I used. Craft Bond, Elmer's. Just a little something that she can throw in her bag if she's going to do a crafting session with a friend, you know, really. And it has the precision tip. Here's another library pocket. And my friend Isabel gave me some really cool little dies, so I think these are fun little bag toppers. And I'm going to leave them pretty much plain. I may not. I'm not sure. But I do want to finish embellishing it, but I just thought I was on the right track, and it was looking really cute. So I wanted to share that with you. And then here's the pocket, how it looks. Okay, and let me put it back, all of this back, and I will be with you right back in a moment and do the tutorial with you. Thank you for watching. Please, please continue to watch this video through to its entirety, to the end. Thank you so much. Okay, and so now, wow, where did that come from? So now for this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how I put this loaded chip bag pocket together. I think that's what I want to call it. Okay, so I have printed up one of the digital pages of Maggie Holmes' collection. Confetti, I believe, is where I got this from. And I could be wrong. But anyway, it is a Maggie Holmes digital. And I went in and resized it. I used my phone. I have a Hewlett-Packard basic printer, and I printed it in draft mode, or draft quality, and I just went in and I resized it to original size, and this is what it gave me. Okay, and this is just a basic 8.5 by 11 page. And I want to take up most of the white space and center it as well as I can. And just press. Okay. And then you can use double-sided tape or wet glue. And let's just use a little wet glue. Okay. There we go. And then it's up to you which side you want to use. If you don't mind, you know, you can come in at this direction and you can embellish that side, or you can leave it as the back seam, just like a chip bag. And it's up to you where you want that extra pocket. Can you see? Alrighty. And there go. And now you have this large pocket, this pocket, and even a third pocket. Okay? And so that's how you put that together. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then I have an idea for the library pocket. So if you have a doily, you can cut it in half. This one, I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap it around. I have, just like Pink Strawberries tutorial, this is a 3x5, and I rounded the top corners. This is a 2 3/4 by 4 3/4 piece for the matting piece. Okay, and go ahead and we're going to glue it down. You could make it an extra pocket if you wanted to. Okay. Alrighty. There we go. And then my idea, she used vellum. And then I'm going to use this doily. I'm going to wrap it around. Oh, wait, wrong side. Straight side bottom. Okay. And I centered it as best as I could. This is Anna's Wonderland. Anna's Memory Decks Obsessed, her embroidery collection. Spring embroidery. I'll put a link. And so let's come in here. Do that. And line up the bottom. I pre-creased it, so I had an idea of where it would go. And it's a little wet with the glue. But not everybody has vellum, or maybe you want to shabby it up a little bit with the doily is what I was thinking. And it'll be really cute in a journal. And then you could even make this side a pocket where you could put your information to, you know, the swap that you're doing, or just your information in general. There we go. So now you have this pocket to put stuff in. And then you can even make these a tuck. And then just clean up the bottom. And you could even clean up the sides if you wanted to. But anyway, that was my idea for an alternative way to make this library pocket. Okay, and you know, you could have a tag like so. Oh my gosh. All right, so thank you so much for watching. See, and then you could load up the chip bag. Thanks so much for watching this video. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is what my mind came up with for a project share. And just remember that this is for the Facebook group, Sweet Creative Impressions, and we all followed the YouTube tutorial from Pink Strawberries. All right, have a great day, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.